Have you ever wondered what makes a value proposition truly stand out, or how businesses build lasting customer relationships? In this video, we'll review the value proposition and customer relationship sections of a business model canvas generated by ChatGPT. We'll assess how well the GenAI's output aligns with industry standard guidance, helping you decide what to keep and what to refine. If you're a product manager, business analyst, or product owner, this will strengthen your ability to validate AI generated business model canvases in real world contexts. Let's look at value proposition. The guidance for value proposition is outline the unique value or solution that the company offers to its customer and what problem does it solve or need it fulfills. So, here in this section, we have to capture the unique value or solution which our company is offering and what problem we are trying to solve or what need we are trying to fulfill. So, let's look at ChatGPT's response. Extensive book catalog. This can be a good unique value proposition because many businesses which are either offline or online, they tend to have a smaller catalog which result in, even though if a lot of customer comes to them, they might not have relevant books for them. That's why having extensive book catalog seems right point to be captured in value proposition.
Then community engagement, connecting various book enthusiastic together which have common interests, providing those kind of communities where they're going to discuss about a particular book or particular kind of book. That also seems to be a good value proposition. So all these points, they seems fine. We don't need to do any refinement in this section as well. Let's look at customer relationship. Customer relationship, ChatGPT has generated 3 points: self-service, community engagement, and customer support. What is the guidance here? Explain how the company establishes and maintains relationship with customer. This can include personalized service, self-service, automated services, etc. So in this section, we explain how our company will establish relationship with our customer or potential customer. The first point is about self-service. The customers will be able to buy the books on their own without human intervention from any employee from our side. That also seems to be a good customer relationship point to be captured. Then community engagement. So if they have any questions related to the book and all, they can discuss with the fellow customer or potential customer. That also seems to a good customer relationship point to be captured. Then we will provide customer support as well. So all these things seems to be right point to be captured in customer relationship.
In this video, we evaluated two critical areas of business model canvas generated by ChatGPT. The value proposition included elements like a large book catalog, personalized recommendations, and community engagement, all relevant and aligned. The customer relationship section featured self-service, community forums, and support channels, covering the full spectrum of customer interaction. Both sections reflected strong alignment with the framework guidelines and required no major refinements. Great work! You now know how to assess value-driven components of a business model using AI-generated content. Up next, we'll explore how ChatGPT defines channels and revenue streams, and how to ensure those choices support a scalable product strategy. See you in the next video.